Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Balbeggie Avenue, Thornton, formerly known as Second Chance Dog Kennels, the charity. It is now a commercial unit that is up for sale. With this property you're getting about half an acre of land, 12 kennels, a mixture of indoor and outdoor, as well as many outbuildings and storage space. So what I'll do is take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting with this commercial property, and as always keep listening until the end for how you'll get further details. So this is the entrance to your property here. We're tucked right at the end of Balbeggie Avenue. Now just for reference, you are straight along Balbeggie Avenue and that takes you to Thornton Road, then leading on to the A92 for Kirkcaldy, or the opposite direction you can go along into Thornton and get to Glenrothes. So we're tucked right away, nice and quiet up on Balbeggie Avenue, and then just down there is further countryside walks, which is great, obviously this being a former kennels as well. So this is the entrance to your property. So you do have, obviously, as you can see, off-street parking just here, but what's great is you could open this up and do off-street parking further inside and have secure parking in there. But this is the entrance to your property, and then we can head in through the gates. So coming through, this is the initial part of the property. So you've got this really large paved area here. Now there's so much to show you with this property, so we're going to make our way around and make sure we cover everything. So you have outbuildings here, a workshop also. Now we will get inside eventually. You have a further shed space there, but just to give you an idea, when I mentioned at the beginning that you could do off-street parking, you could obviously open this up because you have all of this slabbed paved area for parking if you wish, but at least you've got options. So this is the initial part. Now just off to our right we have a secure, and you'll see that as we go throughout there's plenty of secure areas, but this is one of them, so completely enclosed. So great size unit, as I say, about half an acre of land you're getting with this, but you've got obviously this section sheltered, obviously that's an unsheltered section, and then you have further storage just down there in the corner, and then just beyond that wall is all countryside and walks. So it's a great peaceful location, really private and quiet. So that's one of your secure areas. Obviously back out into this area, we'll head inside shortly. That's a workshop space. Now we will go down there again shortly, but we're going to start along here where there's further outdoor storage and areas. So along here, again you can see you've obviously got the gates there for secure area. You have a further secure area here, or even just for outdoor storage, because this is all unsheltered. You then have this additional bit as well. And then you can see, now that is the back of the shed right at the entrance of the property. So again, you could knock that through and open all this up. And then another secure area there with a shed in. So sold has seen this property, but this is all the space that you're getting. So hopefully by now you're picturing obviously your business, or whether you continue with it as a kennels, but hopefully you're picturing how you would make it work. Then coming along here you have all of this space as well. So obviously this then starts as sheltered. Now each one of these is storage. You could obviously utilise them and make them work for you. These aren't what's included in the kennels. This is storage, they aren't actual kennels. But just to give you an idea of size. So this could also be a run for obviously dogs, because it's nice and secure. And you can see there's power up there. You've got lights as well. Then coming along, so then you have a further secure area just there. But what we're going to do is go back around and head to the kennels. So as I say, there's a mixture of indoor and outdoor with this, but 12 in total. So you'll see them all. I'll talk you through them. So back along here to the start of the property. So this is your outdoor ones. I say outdoor, but obviously they're still sheltered. All great size, and they do have bits around the back for storage. But this is outdoor one, so you've got another one there. Then you have another one here, and as I say, they do have bits around the back for more of a sheltered, but also could be used as storage. Then another one just there. There's a gate here so you can partition this off, and then a further one just in here, but more of a storage, not actually a kennels, this one, and I'll show you why. Just something you weren't expecting, a feature, but we've managed to build it round the tree. So this one couldn't be used as a kennels. So that is your outdoor ones, but as I say, obviously still sheltered. Then coming back along here, so we were just the other side of that just a second ago, just for reference. But then coming through here, you have a further bit. So again, another storage area, seating area. There's so much that you're getting with this unit. It's just the unit that just keeps on giving. There's so much space to really make it work for your business. But again, further in here, and then something else you won't be expecting, just behind here, is another outdoor kind of enclosed area. So this is where they would, when it was formerly obviously the charity and they had dogs here, this is more where the dogs who maybe just needed to be on their own, needed the peace and quiet, then this is where they would be, because it's nice and tucked away. As I say, you're in a really peaceful location, because literally just beyond that, try and show you, is just fields. So this is another enclosed bit. For a second there I thought I was being locked out. So then back along here, and what we'll do is we'll head back along and start at the front of the building and work our way inside, which is where you have your indoor kennels and kitchenette and further storage. So we are back obviously at the front. So then heading inside, so you can see both on our left and right you have your indoor kennels. So great mix. And then just wee little storage area or desk area there, but obviously it's currently a wee memorial. But this is all of your indoor kennels, and then we head through this door. So then you come into this office space. So plenty of space obviously if you are going to use it as a kennels for the dogs, but also plenty of space for the humans as well, because you have all of this office space. Just behind this door you have a kitchenette area. So a wee kitchen area, plenty of worktop cabinet space, enough space for you to make a cup of tea to get cosy. So that is your kitchenette. And then you also have just a WC behind that door and wash hand basin. But then this is your office space, and obviously you can have CCTV screen there so you can see the front of the premises and keeping an eye obviously on all the kennels if that's what you decide to use it for. Then we come through this door and you have a further kind of storage area. Now it was utilised, and this is where they kept all the dog food, because these are all bins and lids that open up. So this is where they stored obviously all the dog food and did the meal preparation. So this is what it's currently utilised as. And just for reference for where we are just off the kennels that are there and the further area out there where we kind of started. So you've got all of this, and then the final area is currently where they keep all of the kind of towels and blankets. So you can see plenty of storage, all shelved. So that is everything that you are getting with this unit. That was the personal property tour for Balbeggie Avenue, Thornton, formerly known as Second Chance Dog Kennels, the charity. Hopefully by now, seeing just the sheer size of the plot and everything that you're getting, from the half of acre of land to the 12 kennels, mix of indoor and outdoor, all of those outbuildings and storage space, the office space, these enclosed areas. You're imagining how you can make this unit work for either your business, your charity, or continuing on as a kennels. Obviously you're in a great location as well, because you were just off the outskirts of Thornton along Balbeggie Avenue, countryside setting and view, so nice and peaceful, but also in a prime location as we're just off the A92 and the main thoroughfare between Glenrothes, Kirkcaldy and beyond. So great location, plenty of space with this premises. So if you want to get further details and the value, you can either click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01592 75 2000. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.